Alright, let's get this guy bouncing. I'm going to go ahead and hold down the Alt key and kind of scooch this down. And I can zoom out if I want. But I'm going to act as if this is the ground plane. The first thing I want to do is I want to move this up. We're going to start in the up position. I'm going to start on keyframe 1. I'm going to grab the move tool. You can get it over here. You can also press W on your keyboard. And I'm just going to use that yellow arrow and scooch it all the way up the Y-axis here. So I want this to be both my first and my last frame, that way it cycles, meaning that every time I play it, it starts where it ends and it looks like it goes on forever. In order to set my keys, I need to select them, so I translated Y, and I'm going to press S, and actually doing that will go ahead and just set all my keys. You can set keys individually, you can key selected, you could key all keyable, so there's some different options, but since we're just getting started, pressing S works great. Okay, so now I'm going to go all the way to 24, and I want to do the same thing, and I could key select it if I wanted, or I can hit S and key everything. And so that's what we got, so it hangs, it hovers right there. So let's get it down in the middle. So I'm going to go to 13, pull them all the way back down, and right, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to key select it here. And you'll notice when I key something, I get that red line. So that indicates that there's something that changes at that spot. So now we can see Maya's done. If we go ahead and play this back, Maya is doing the math in between. We don't have to do every frame like you would in hand-drawn animation. It just happens. But it looks a little silly. So in the next video, we'll explore how to use tangents and the graph editor in order to alter the way it looks.